Hello again, friends and fans. Back with another clock for you guys. And this one is a little bit different. It is a Howard Miller. I hear some of you going, Albano, what are you doing? And I agree with you because I am not a fan of modern clocks. I might have mentioned this in some other videos, but I really do not like newer clocks. That said, if I were to have a modern clock, this one is definitely one I would choose because it's a really cool clock. So this one is, at least in part, made by the Howard Miller company in the US. This company produces clock cases and curio cabinets and things of that sort. And they make cabinets and they put German clock movements in them. Nowadays it's mostly Hermle because most of the other companies are dead, except maybe Kieninger. So it's Kieninger and Hermle. But this one is from the 1980s. And back then, Howard Miller still used movements made by the Urgos clock company. And so this one is a triple chiming pillar and scroll type clock. It's a Barwick, Howard Miller Barwick, model number 4993. And I got it 2 years ago for free. And the reason I got it for free is because it wasn't working. And the reason it wasn't working is because the movement in it had been destroyed. Wheels missing, some of them with teeth missing. So yeah, it was a sad state. Until earlier this summer, when I got a replacement movement, which has now just been oiled and installed and is ticking along very nicely indeed. The clock plays Westminster, Whittington, and Winchester. It sounds pretty cute. Looks great.